introduces the first in a new series of wildlife experiences created especially for family viewing by the National Audubon Society. Audubon's Animal Adventures. Learn what it's like to run with wolves, swim with dolphins, soar with eagles, and even travel to a prehistoric time with today's living dinosaurs, alligators and crocodiles.
No, belly flop.
This incredible live-action animal adventure series has received massive exposure and publicity on the Disney Channel and is now available on home video. The series begins with wolf adventures and dolphin adventures, two exciting videos that take us into the animal world, where we can watch these magnificent creatures in their natural habitats. Future episodes include bear, crane, and sea turtle adventures, plus a whole lot more. Discover the exciting world of Audubon's Animal Adventures, only from HBO Kids Video.